Hello everyone, Yori. Please like and subscribe to the video and ring the bell button for notifications if I have a new video, and watch my other videos so you could be notified on what is happening in my life. If you're my friend, please don't show anything. But anyway, let's get on to the video. So I'm just gonna show you how to make this dog house that's really cute that you could have for your dog. Okay, now let's go. I'm gonna go outside for this. Oh my gosh, I forgot that I even can do that. Here are my llamas. Llamas and any other big creatures cannot fit in this. So I have been saving this spot for it. So we're gonna just basically dig in it again. You could make it larger if you'd like, but I'm gonna choose. First, you're gonna need whatever kind of wall, any wall. So I think I'm gonna pick the diorite wall. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it correctly. We're gonna go with that. And then we're gonna pick the diorite stairs, or I don't know if I'm pronouncing it correctly. Please tell me if I'm pronouncing it correctly, or diorite. I think it's diorite. Okay, I'm gonna call it diorite. We have this polished diorite stairs. It's so hard to say, but I like the texture of it, so we're gonna go with that. And then, or whatever other kind. Hi, Jung Jung. The Jung is right over there. You have seen him in other videos. Outside. I don't know. No. He's really weird. But we're gonna use this polished diorite. Or you could use wool. And also you need to match the slabs with your little stairs. You're gonna see what to do in a second. But I'm gonna close the door because it's really awkward. Anyways, we have that going. And now we could use a gray wool or whatever other kind of wool. Let's use this light gray wool. First, you're gonna put your light gray wool. This is really optional, to be honest. If you have any of these, I'm just gonna make a little bit of a flooring. Flooring. I'm using a PS4, by the way, so we're gonna make us one. First, you're gonna put your wall. It could be as wide as you want or as long as you want. This is the size. It must be at least 1 block away from the thing. Daddy, Jung Jung is looking for you. Daddy. And then, because it's really noisy. And then put the stairs on the side. Oh my gosh, that doesn't look really good. But it's starting to look like a doghouse. This, no, not bad. Why? You're gonna stay there? Sure. I'm going to leave because my dad is going to stay there. This is really weird. Get your slabs, then put it on the side of the stairs. I mean on the top. And then you're gonna need one more thing, which is a dog bone. And then item frame. This is also optional. And then you're gonna put the item frame markings. There. But only to the because I need a flower pot. Ta-da! Has like its little drink. I'm gonna just basically drop it. So it looks like a dog went there. I'm gonna drop it inside. See? Ta-da! It's really adorable. Really cute. You can't even go inside. I'm gonna crouch. I can't even go inside. This is really slow. I can't even go inside. It's too small. A dog can fit in there. So we're gonna summon a dog. Where's the dog? Let's find a dog. There. Okay, now we're gonna spawn the dog. Then we're gonna make it love us. Okay, go inside of your little thing and do your thing. Why am I so watching? We're gonna go into your doghouse. Go into your doghouse. Go inside. Or else I will not name you. Bye. Bye. Thank you. Bye. I'm gonna bury him.
Pogi!
Bye. Okay, see you guys later. Bye.